Guys, so I totally forgot that I never made an intro for this video, so here I am on my photo booth making it right now. But anyways, today's video is going to be how I make like Polcos, I don't know how I think it's like Polaroid photo cards, but anyways, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make that, and also I'll be showing you guys how I printed out this type of Polaroid, which is an actual Polaroid, but I decorated it and it looks really cute. It's on my phone case because we love. But yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make these today. And yeah, so that's basically the video. I hope that you guys will enjoy it. And yeah, I think we should just get straight on into it. So yeah. Alright guys, so this just came in the mail, but I wanted to do like a little unboxing of it because I'm pretty excited to be using this. I've always been wanting these, and like I've seen people like make stuff with this. So it is the Instaxshare Polaroid printing thing, which I'm really excited to use because I've always been wanting to make my own Polaroids, but I obviously never had one like this. So I decided to get one, and I'm just going to be showing you guys how it works. Hopefully I don't fail at this, but I definitely want to try it out. So yeah, it's really cute. So and if y'all were wondering, I got this off of Amazon, so I'll probably link it down below, so if you guys are interested in getting one as well. So this is what it looks like. So this is the front of it. There were two colors, so this was the silver one, but there was also a gold one as well. And then I guess this is like the battery that comes with it. I think you put it in here or something, but I'm pretty excited to use this. And then you also need some like Polaroid film, obviously, which I do have, luckily. So I'm going to be putting some in here, and then we're going to be testing it out. And in order to print stuff, you also do need an app, which I will be downloading onto my phone. So we're just going to see how it works because I am pretty excited. So, alright guys, so it is a few days after I like unboxed the printer. I was busy with school, but now I'm done with it. So now I'm going to be doing a little demonstration of how you could print stuff on this, and I'm pretty excited. Although I did print some already, so I decided to do some before I actually show you guys on camera because I didn't want to have it be a fail. But these turned out really cute. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I made one of them, and yeah. Alright, so in order to print stuff on here, you would have to use your phone because like there's like an app. You have to download an app called Instaxshare if you do end up getting this, and then you basically turn it on like so. I should be screen recording this, but it's okay. If y'all end up getting it, y'all probably will see a lot of videos of how to print stuff on here. But basically it leads to this. But anyways, you're gonna go ahead and select photos and then just look for a photo that you would like to print out. So let's see. Ooh, oh, should I print that one out? Okay. Should I print that one out? That's actually really cute, omggg. Okay, so this is the photo that I end up wanting to print. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and just edit it. There's like options on the app that give you like different filters, and also just cropping it just so it looks nice when it's actually printed out. So once you're satisfied with it, you're basically just going to press connect and print. So you're just gonna see it. But basically, once the photo is done, and you're just gonna leave it for a bit until you see the results. Alright guys, so this is what it ended up looking like. Oh my god, it's so cute, like, okay. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It came out really nice. I really like the colors, obviously. Now, when you do print it out, it tends to be a bit brighter compared to the actual photo. This is what it turned out. So it looks like an actual Polaroid, which is really nice. And if you guys couldn't see the other ones from earlier, these are the ones that I printed out as well. They look so good. Like, I love, and I'm definitely gonna be printing out more, so yeah. So in order to make the Polcos, I use Photoscape X, which is free, but basically when you open up the app, you're gonna open up new, and it's gonna be 1063 by 1375 in terms of the size. Then you're gonna wanna go to the insert, and you're gonna wanna add the Polaroid, and I'm gonna leave this down below so you guys could use it as well. But basically you're gonna duplicate this 3 times, as you can see, and yeah, so you're just gonna be duplicating it 3 times, but I'm actually gonna make 9 of them, so I'm gonna make duplicates all over again, as you can see. But once that is done, you're gonna go ahead and take the images that you would like to use, and you're gonna want to size them the way that they are with the Polaroid. And once they fit with the Polaroid, you're gonna want to go ahead and bring it back. So as you can see what I'm doing here, it says send backward. So you're just gonna keep sending it backward until the photo is behind the Polaroid, as you can see right now. So this is what it should look like. And then now with the fill option, you can change the color of the Polaroid, which is a really nice feature on Photoscape X. But basically you're gonna go ahead and change it to whatever color you would like, and just go ahead and do the same for everything. And once you are satisfied with how everything looks, go ahead and save it and go ahead and print it out. And this is what it ended up looking like once I printed it out, and I just went ahead and cut it off camera because that would have taken a lot of time. But as you can see right now, I'm gonna go ahead and choose which Polcos I want to decorate. And yeah, this is basically just going to be the decoration process, so I'll probably just be quiet now and let you guys just watch this part. And there you have it. This is what the final product looks like. I seriously love these so much. I'll probably like interchange these within like my phone case because they look so cute. But yeah, I didn't end up decorating every single Polcos that I made, but these are the ones that I did. And in terms of like saving them, I actually put them in this little Polaroid book that I bought at the thrift store. And then I also made some BTS ones, as you can see, which are really cute as well. But yeah, that is basically the video, guys. I hope that you guys found this helpful in some way. If you guys do end up making these as well, please do tag me on your social medias. I would love to see it. But yeah, that is it, guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. All right, bye guys.